If you're sitting your AQA A-level business paper 1 tomorrow, make sure you watch this video as it could literally save your grade. Now we know what the layout is of your exam tomorrow. Section A, you'll have 15 multiple choice questions. Section B, you'll have a few calculations and a few 9 markers. And section C, you'll have those 2 dreaded 25 markers. And to help make sure you do not run out of time in your exam tomorrow, follow this timing strategy. Now for your multiple choice questions, I would spend anywhere between 12 to 15 minutes on them. And if you find that you're on one multiple choice question, you don't know the answer and you're really stuck on this, just skip it, come back to the end, and if you do not have enough time, just make sure you at least give it a go and guess what the answer is. Now at the start of section B, you'll be typically asked a few calculation questions. And for those of you who love the maths in the A-level business course, this is where you can win some time back for those 25 markers. Now, if you don't like maths in A-level business, don't worry, this is what you need to do. You need to try and attempt what you can. So even if it is just writing out the formula and trying some of the calculation, you'll be able to still pick up some working out marks. But don't spend too much time on these calculation questions. If you really are starting to panic and you don't know what to do, just move on straight away to those 9 markers. Now with the 9 markers, the very first thing that you need to do when looking at them is unpick the demands of the question. So what that means is, first of all, you need to know what the context is. So what type of business are they asking you about? Then you need to know the start point and the end point of your chains of analysis. Now AQA have changed their stance on these 9 markers in recent years, where you can answer all these 9 markers with just one single point. But just double check the question just in case it does ask you to make a few points. Normally you'll be able to spot this by it saying analyze the reasons or analyze the impacts. And for these 9 markers, make sure you spend a maximum of 9 minutes on them in total, 1 minute planning out your answer and 8 minutes then writing it up, and then you've got those dreaded 25 markers. Now on section C, with these 225 markers, you want to be spending around 60 minutes, so around 30 minutes for each 25 marker. Now with the 25 markers, you need to take a few minutes to decide which is the best one for you to answer and which do you have the best knowledge for. So make a tiny plan for all the different options. Then once you know which ones that you're answering, spend around 4 to 5 minutes making a real detailed plan, and then around 20 to 25 minutes writing this up. Now realistically, you can get full marks with just 3 simple paragraphs. What I would recommend: point for, evaluation, point against, evaluation, and a nice detailed conclusion. You want to spend around 9 minutes on your 4 point, 9 minutes on your against point, and around 7 to 8 minutes on that conclusion. And finally, best of luck guys for tomorrow. Go and smash it tomorrow. All the hard work, remember, that you've been putting in over these last few months and these last few years. Best of luck, go and smash it.